Hello students of class 5. Welcome to the solution of JNVST 2021 question paper. Okay, in this question paper, let me start with the starting point. This exam was conducted on 11th August 2021. This is by mistake 2022, but you just read it as 2021. Okay, now the exam for 2022 will be conducted on 30 April. Okay, that is tentative, it might be changed. Okay, so this is the question paper for last year. I will be talking in English and Hindi. For other language like Bengali or other language, you can write in comment section, then I will make it available. Okay, so this is English paper, यानी कि English medium का question paper है. You can see here the first thing is name of the candidate, then the signature of the student. Easily you can do it. The duration for this question paper is 2 hours and the maximum marks is for 100 marks. Okay, now there are some instructions written. 16 pages are there, 80 questions. See, total marks is 100 marks and questions are 80 questions. Okay, no problem. Now you will be given a OMR sheet. An OMR sheet will be given to you. You can see the OMR sheet here. Okay, just what type of OMR sheet you will get. Okay, so this is the side 2 of this OMR sheet. Here you have to put your roll number. This is for your text test booklet number. Then here it is your name. Then here it is father's name, and then here it is your to be filled by invigilator. This part is not filled by students or candidates. Then this is the information, that is answers response. So whatever answer is correct, you feel this answer is correct, then you have to fill this circle. You have to darken this circle with black or ball black or blue pen. Okay, see here one important instruction is written. What is that? You can see here, use of pencil is strictly prohibited, यानी कि you have not to use the pencil, only blue pen or black pen is allowed. Then यहाँ पे कुछ टाइम दिया हुआ है, सो टाइम इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज इट माइट चेंज. टाइम का ड्यूरेशन जो है वो एग्जैक्टली 2 घंटे का रहेगा, लेकिन कब से एग्जाम स्टार्ट होगा और कब खत्म होगा ये आपको चेंज भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, देन आपका जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा, देर आर 3 sections. देर आर टोटल 3 sections. यू कैन सी हियर इन दिस टेबल type of test. So in the first section you will have mental ability test. In that mental ability test there are 40 questions. Then second is arithmetic test, and in that arithmetic test, that is section 2, there are 20 questions. Okay, and finally in the language test, that is for English language, that is mandatory, and here also 20 questions. So you can see 80 questions carry 100 marks. Now important information, one more important information is that 40 minutes will be allowed for दिव्यांग students, यानी कि जो physically handicapped है या जो कि नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट नहीं है, उनके अलावा जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए 40 मिनट्स का एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिया जाएगा. एंड सभी स्टूडेंट्स को 15 मिनट्स जो है रीडिंग के लिए, एडिशनल 15 मिनट्स का टाइम जो है वो सिर्फ रीडिंग के लिए दिया जाता है. इट मीन्स इफ द एग्जाम स्टार्ट्स एट 11:30 AM, then you will get the question paper at 11:15 AM. Okay, next you can see सभी questions compulsory है. You must attempt each section because you have to qualify in each section separately. Section 1, there are 10 parts, separate directions are given for each part. Okay, next the important work is yes, the last one is the point or the general instruction number 15 is most important because it mentions that there will be no negative marking. Okay, so you take care, you have to attempt all the questions, don't leave any question unattempted. Okay, now this was the OMR sheet, and here you can see total 80 questions. Now here it is the it is the place or space for signature of candidate in running hand, then signature of invigilator, and then invigilator to put center stamp. That is not useful for students. Okay, this is the side 1 where you have to write the roll number here, and then remaining things are not uh, just you can go through it because they are less important. Now here it is, the question paper starts. In the first question, or in the first section you can see mental ability test. Okay, in mental ability test, this is the part 1. Okay, now in this question, what is the instructions? You can see, you can read the instructions, but what is the answer? Okay, so here you can see there are three letters, C-I-N-T, C-T-I, I-T-C. The important thing is that which one is different. You can see easily that in this box I is not there, so that is why it is the answer. So in the first question, answer is C. Then second question, you can see here three dots, three circles, here three circles, here four multiplication sign or cross x sign, here four, here also two square, here also two square. But in this case, there are four plus sign and only three plus sign. So this is the right answer. You have to identify the different one. Now here you can see PQRS, two four students or four persons are sitting in a round circular table. Now the way of sitting is different. Okay, you have to identify the different style. So here from you PQRS, if you go from P to RSY, then you can see this is clockwise pattern. Okay, from here you can see PQRS, they are sitting in this way, and this is anti-clockwise pattern. Anti-clockwise pattern. Here also you can see this is also anti-clockwise and this is also anti-clockwise. So here the answer is A option. Third question answer is A option. Here there are three. This is the first figure. Here three circles are given in three corners of this square and one triangle. This triangle is facing, or the vertex of triangle is facing towards the center. Towards the center in all the figures except this one. Except this one. Here this the vertex of this triangle is facing towards the corner. That is why this is the right answer. Next, part 2. Again, so here this is the question figure. One figure is given, you have to match. यहाँ पे जो आपको चार फिगर्स दिया हुआ है उनमें से आपको मैच करके देखना है कि कौन सा फिगर आंसर फिगर क्वेश्चन फिगर को मैच करता है. सो हियर यू कैन सी द सी फिगर इज एग्जैक्टली सेम टू द क्वेश्चन फिगर. हियर in question number 6 you can see the figure C is exactly same to the figure of question. Here also this figure is exactly copy of just figure question in question. Now next one is here, this one, this question figure resembles to figure number C, so here answer is C. In the same way, if you go for question number 8, then this question figure resembles with this figure, so here the answer is 8, D. Now that part number 3, there are also one incomplete figure is given. Okay, now in this question the examiner is asking that आउट ऑफ दीज फोर फिगर्स, यहाँ पे जो चार फिगर्स दिया है इन चार में से कौन सा फिगर है जो इसके अंदर फिट करने से इसका कंप्लीट फिगर या कंप्लीट एक ये शेप बन जाता है. तो यू कैन सी हियर दैट दिस फिगर इज the best suitable for completing this figure. Okay, in the same way you can see in this one also the answer for question number 10 is second option. You can check it very well, just you stop the video and then you can easily check it. In the same way, the answer for 11th question is this one, means this figure will fit in this incomplete figure to make it complete. In the same way, the question number 13, 12 answer is C, because C figure will be fitting in this figure. Next, question number 13, that is based on part 4, and there are also some directions given. Okay, so in the question figures one certain पैटर्न इज देयर. ओके, उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आपको यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चन मार्क है उसमें कौन सा फिगर शूट होता है उसी को आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. तो यहाँ पर मैं आपको डायरेक्टली आंसर बताता हूँ. देन यू हैव टू थिंक आउट दैट व्हाट इज द पैटर्न. In the next question, here the answer is answer B for question number 14. Then for question number 15, you can see here the figure B, or the answer B, the figure in answer B, option B is suitable for this question mark. In the question number 16, you can see the option B is the right, suitable. So for these four questions you have to think out. Okay, next part 5, and in there are four questions. Now here it is, one question figure is given. Now in this question, what is important? These two figures are connected, then these two figures are also connected in same manner. Okay, the way in which these two figures are connected, the same pattern should be followed in these two figures. So here you can see this arrow, the direction of this arrow is towards right side, but in this picture the arrow is directed towards left side. It means this arrow side is inverted. Then same way this triangle is upside, but in this picture this triangle is downside. So the same pattern you have to identify in this one. So you can see here that figure C is suitable for this box question mark. So same question, then you can see here this question figure, this figure is related with this figure. So in the same way this figure will be related with this figure coming in this question mark space. So you can see here the answer is second option. Okay, next here one letter is then B. Okay, and then the mirror image of this letter B is given here. So B and mirror image of B is there. In the same way E, and here E and the mirror image of E should be there. So you can see in the answer figures which option gives this type of figure. So answer is here A option. This was question number 20. Next one is part 6. In part 6 also there are four questions. Now in this question one figure is given, but this figure is incomplete. Okay, now there are four figures given and you have to identify that which figures can complete this circle. So you just make a circle in this way, and then you just draw the lines in this way. You can see that in this way the figure is there, that is option number B. So answer for question number 21 is second option. Then we come to the 22 question. In question 22, if we complete the figure in this way, if we complete the figure in this way, then the figure which is like this red ink figure, that is the answer of this question. Now there are two figures similar, but if you see here the difference, this part is little narrower and here this part is little wider. So this answer is correct because here also it is wider part. So the fourth figure fits to complete the figure. Next question number 23. Then here you can make a triangle. So for making this triangle, just you have to draw over this already given figure in this way. So you can see here the figure C matches with this. Figure D also looks like similar, but it is totally different. You can see here this sides are little different. Okay, so answer is here C. Next question number 24. If you complete this square, then you will get this structure. Okay, you can see here that uh, the structure of figure B or option B suitable for this answer. Okay, then question number 25 is from part 7. In question number 25, one figure is given and that figure is seen इन ए प्लेन मिरर. नाउ प्लेन मिरर का एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि इन प्लेन मिरर द थिंग or the object which you see, its left part becomes right part and its right part becomes left part. Here you can see this box or this square is in right side, so it will become left side. Now you have to identify the picture in which this part has become right side. So in this picture means figure C and figure D both are correct. Like next step, this triangle is in left part, this part is left part and this part is right part. So this left part becomes right part. You can see here also this is in right side. Now but the important thing is that in the answer figures in this option D, this bar or this line is extra, that is not in the question paper, in that question figure. So here answer is C option. Okay, in the same way, this circle will change its place here and this cross will change its position here. Okay, so you have to identify such pictures in which this is given. Only option 1 is correct, only option 1, that is option A, is correct. Then next one, you can see this triangle. Okay, this triangle is nearby the simple mirror and it will go in the last, this arrow will come here. Okay, you have to identify. Now you see that the arrow in the D figure, in the D option, is exactly as just mirror image. Now here you can see that word band, one word band is seen थ्रू ए मिरर। एक मिरर में बैंड वर्ड को देखा था, तो बी जो है उसका क्या हो जाता है, बी का इन्वर्जन हो जाता है। इन्वर्जन का मतलब उसका लेफ्ट पार्ट राइट बन जाएगा, राइट पार्ट लेफ्ट बन जाएगा। तो बी जो है उसको उल्टा करके देखना है, तो बी ऐसा दिखेगा। देखिए, जो चीज़ मिरर से जितना दूर है वो मिरर में देखने पर मिरर के पास में आ जाएगा। सो हियर दिस बी इज लाइक दिस। ई को अगर आप मिरर में देखेंगे तो ई भी उल्टा हो जाता है। देन एन को अगर आप देखते हैं तो एन भी इस टाइप का हो जाता है, और डी जो है उसका भी शेप कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। सो इन दिस वे वी कम टू द आंसर एंड द ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 to 32, and that is from part 8. Okay, here very interesting play activities given with the paper. Okay, so that folding a circle or a paper in circle shape is first folded in the diameter, then it is folded to 1/4, and then three dots or three punched marks are given there. Now if you unfold this, then he is asking that what will be the answer figure. So here you can see, if three dots or these three holes are there, then there's these three holes are all the क्वाड्री पार्ट्स। ओके, जो पेपर का 1/4 पार्ट है उस पे, सभी पेपर के 1/4 पार्ट पे ऐसा कुछ होगा। तो आपको ऐसा कोई आइडेंटिफाई करना है जिसके अंदर ऐसा तीन फिगर, तीन ये जो सर्किल्स हैं दिखते हैं। सो आंसर इज हियर 29 बी। Next one is 30. Question number 30. Here you can see on this side there are uh, two deeps. Okay, two deep grooves are there. So these two grooves will be there on all the papers, on the quarters of this paper. So here answer is C option. You can just check it, or you can also practice it on paper. Now here one square is there. A square is halved by covering it, then it is again halved, and ditch two ditch or two holes are made in this way. So you have to identify the right answer. So here this is C answer. C option will be the correct option for 31 question. Question number 32. In 32 question, again one circle, one paper in circle, sorry, in square form, it is halved, then it is again halved, and in this way one mark is given here. So you have to identify the picture after unfolding, so it will be looking like this. So option A is correct for 32. Now next question is 39, sorry, 33 to 36, and this question is from part 9. In this question paper, you have to given, you are given there are three figures. Okay, one triangle, second triangle, and then this is I think rhombus. So all these figures if are arranged together, so what will be the figure exactly same? Okay, so the answer is, so the answer is B here. Okay, you just see here, this triangle is here, this rhombus is here, and this triangle is here, same triangle. So answer is B option for 33. In the same way, if you see 34, here one figure, two figure, three figure, and four figure, four figures are given and they are arranged in this way, then which figure, answer figure will be correct, most suitable. So here you can see this is the correct answer, because here these two figures different, this is triangle and this is triangle. So answer is A option. Then 35, in 35 two triangles are there and one rectangle is there. Okay, all are arranged in this way to get this picture. So here this is triangle, sorry, rectangle, and here is one triangle and this is the second triangle. So answer is A for 35 question number. Then question number 36. In question number 36, one rectangular strip is there in between and only answer A contains this. So automatically no need to go for this option and this option. In the first step you can get answer for 36, that is option A. And then finally the 10th part of this section A, in which there are also 4 questions given. Now in this different question is asked, okay, in which you have to given already one question figure and there are 4 diagrams given in answer figures. Question is that which answer figure can give this type of figure. Okay, means किस फिगर को कट करने से कैसे भी करके आप ये फिगर ला सकते हैं. And then answer is of course A option. In the same way, this is the question figure from which option you can get this figure. So here you can see कि इस वाले question में, in this question, this part of this question, this part of this figure contains this figure. So answer is B option. Here you can see here in this diagram, first option one is this one and this is the same figure which is in the question. So answer is A option here 39. Then question number 40, in V shape, in which of the following there is a V shape. Here you can see in the first figure itself there is one V shape figure, so it is answer A. Now the next part is arithmetic test. Arithmetic test is for your mathematics learning ability. Okay, how much you have learnt so far in mathematics. Okay, so in question there are 20 questions for mathematics section. First question 41, question number 14, which number is a multiple of all the three numbers 4, 8 and 6. यानी कि आपको यहाँ पे जो ये 4 नंबर्स गिवन है और इन 4 नंबर्स में से आपसे पूछा है कि कौन सा नंबर ऐसा है जिसमें 4, 8 और 6 का मल्टीपल होता है. तो इसका जो आंसर है उसके लिए मैं आपको एक सॉल्यूशन बताता हूँ. यू कैन सी हियर द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, देखिए जो आपको 4, 6, 8 की बात कर रहा है, ये जो नंबर्स हैं इन नंबर्स का मल्टीपल जो होगा तो हमें इनका पहले एलसीएम निकालना होगा. सो दिस इज द वे हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द एलसीएम. यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 4, 6, 8 दैट इज 24. अब आपको ये चेक करना है कि कौन सा नंबर है ऑप्शंस में से, चार में से 396, 696, 664 एंड 5432 में से जिसमें जो 24 से कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड होता है. सो आंसर इज सेकंड ऑप्शन 696, क्योंकि 696 इज कम्प्लीटली divided by 24. Next question is 642. So here answer is 696. Question number 42. What is the largest number which divides 270 and 426 leaving remainder 6 in each case. यहाँ पे आपको चार नंबर दिए हुए हैं 12, 22, 30 और 36. बोलता है कि इन चारों में से कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो 270 और 426 को डिवाइड करने पर 6 रिमाइंडर देता है. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो I have shown you. You can see here question number 42. In question number 42, 270 and 426 two numbers are given. You have to check it इंडिविजुअली. सभी में आपको डिवाइड करके देखना है. 270 को डिवाइड किया 12 से, 270 को डिवाइड किया 22 से, 270 को डिवाइड किया 30 से, 270 को डिवाइड किया 36 से. Here you will get the remainder 4.7.5. Here the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 6 and here also 6. Now again same process is to be done with 426 also. Here you will get remainder plus 6, I mean 6 only. Here remainder is 8, here is also 6, here is also 30. Now question है कि दोनों में सेम होना चाहिए, तो ऐसा कौन सा पेयर है जिसमें रिमाइंडर 6 आ रहा है. देखिए यहाँ रिमाइंडर इस वाले पेयर की अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पर 22 में क्या है, फर्स्ट में तो रिमाइंडर 6 है लेकिन यहाँ पे 8 आता है, सो दिस इज नॉट द आंसर, दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. Then in the second you can see here, in the first number remainder is 0 but here it is 6, so that is also not correct, so this is also wrong. Here you can see both are having different remainder, so of course this is not the correct answer. Here you can see in the both numbers 270 and 426 remainder is plus 6, so the answer is 270 and the remainder the number which is divisible is 12, so answer is here 12. Question number 43, very easy. The sum of 7.7, 7.07, 7.007 and 77.0077 is, ये आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 5, class 5th who are better in English. So again I have shown you the answer of this question also. Here this is the answer for 43 question. This is the way how to write all these things. Okay, 7.7, first number is 7.7. After this decimal and this digit you can put infinite number of zeros, infinite number of zeros you can put, so you can add them easily. The answer is 98.7777. So the answer is here option number D, 43. Next question is 44. On simplification the approximate value of, यहाँ पर आपको एक मैथमेटिक्स का बेसिक रूल जो होता है जिसको आप लोग क्लास 5th में पढ़े हो, तो बोर्ड मास जिसको हम बोलते हैं, तो यहाँ पर आपको ये पूछा गया है कि आपको सबसे पहले कौन सा ऑपरेशन करना है, मीन्स एडिशन पहले करना है या आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन पहले करना है या आपको एडिशन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखिए ये जो डिजिट्स है इनमें यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पर आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले करना है, एडिशन उसके बाद और सब्ट्रैक्शन सबसे लास्ट में. सो इफ़ यू डू इन दिस वे देन यू विल गेट आंसर इन दिस वे. तो अगर आप इन दोनों डिजिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको मिलता है 45.045 और फिर उसमें सभी को आप जब ऐड कर देते हैं इनको, तो ये सब जो है आपका आंसर देता है 50.059875. नाउ क्वेश्चन के अंदर in the question the value is asked in approximate value. Okay, so this is 50 answer. Question number 45, very easy. A train started from Delhi at 8:15 a.m. and reached Ajmer at 2:30 p.m. The time taken by the train to reach Ajmer from Delhi is. It is very important and very easy question also. This type of question may repeat. Okay, Ajmer to Delhi 2:30 if the starting time, and sorry, from Delhi it is starting at 8:15 a.m. and it reached at Ajmer at 2:30 p.m. You can easily calculate, it is 6 hours and 15 minutes. Now next question is 46. In first 46 question, a match last for half an hour, यानी कि कोई एक मैच है उसकी बात करता है कि जो हाफ एन आवर का मतलब 30 मिनट्स तक चलता है. ओके, 1/10 ऑफ द मैच टाइम इज टेकन अप फॉर टाइम आउट. टाइम आउट वो प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें कोई टीम या दोनों टीम कुछ देर के लिए अपना एक रेस्ट लेते हैं, दैट इज फॉर एनी पर्पस. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा है कि ये जो रेस्ट लिया है इन्होंने, जो 110 है टोटल मैच टाइम का, वो कितने देर का है. तो देखिए यहाँ पर ये है 30 मिनट एंड दिस इज 1/10, तो 30 को 110 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन यू विल गेट आंसर 3 मिनट्स. सो 3 मिनट्स इज द टाइम फॉर टाइम आउट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, वेरी इजी. हियर x by 25 is equal to 196 अपॉन x, देन x की वैल्यू कितनी होगी. यहाँ पर आपको एक सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का यूज करना होता है. लेट मी शो यू द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इफ आई हैव डन. Okay, so this question I have not shown for you but you can simply do it. Okay, x square is equal to 196 इंटू 25, यानी कि यहाँ पर आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर इन दिस वे. आंसर इज 70. ओके, दैट इज वेरी इजी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 48. An article is purchased for rupees 7,500 and sold for 8,400. The point, the profit percent is, first of all, how to calculate the profit. Profit is selling price minus purchasing price. Selling price is 8400 or purchasing price is 7500. The difference of these two amounts is 900. 900 when divided by 7500 and multiplied by 100, then you will get the value of profit percent equal to 12%. So this is the answer for 48 question number. Question number 49, sorry. A buys a radio at 3/4 of its marked price. 49 question. It is very important and very easy also, conceptual question. एक रेडियो है जिसको कोई खरीदता है और उसका जो मार्क्ड प्राइस है उसके 3/4 पे खरीदता है और उसको फिर जो उसकी मार्क्ड रेट है, मार्क्ड प्राइस है, उसके 20% एक्स्ट्रा पे उसको रीसेल करता है। तो बोलता है कि ए जो है उसका परसेंटेज प्रॉफिट कितना होगा। सो दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव शोन यू हियर। सपोज हमने मार्क प्राइस मान लिया 100 रुपीज, परचेजिंग प्राइस हो जाएगा इसका 100 इंटू 3/4 दैट इज इक्वल टू 75 रुपीज। नाउ द सेलिंग प्राइस इज 20% मोर देन दैट ऑफ मार्क प्राइस, सो 100 का 20% 20 रुपीज होगा। So the total selling price becomes 100 plus 20, that is 120. Now how to get profit? How to calculate profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus purchasing price, that is equal to 45 rupees. Percentage profit calculate करने के लिए 45 divided by 75 into 100 and then you can simplify it. You will get the answer as 60%. That is the answer of this question. So here answer is C, option C. Question number 50. Find the approximate value of the following expression in whole number. Whole number. Okay. So here again the main concept is that board mass. Okay. So first of all you have to divide, then you have to multiply it, then you have to add addition, then the lastly you have to subtract. So सबसे पहले हमें इन दोनों को क्या करना होगा, डिवीजन करना होगा इनका, और उसके बाद में इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होगा और उन दोनों वैल्यूज को आपको यहाँ पर ऐड करना है थर्ड स्टेप में. यू विल गेट द आंसर एज ऑप्शन सी. Question number 51. Very important and very intelligent question. Little bit difficult question it may be. A sum of money will double itself in 16 years at simple interest with a yearly rate of. ये means यहाँ पे आपको rate के बारे में पूछा है. What is the rate of interest? ठीक है. And the question is related to simple interest. Okay. Question number 51. So you can see here question number 51. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एस आई, इसके लिए कॉमन सा फॉर्मूला होता है दैट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल इंटू रेट इंटू टाइम डिवाइडेड बाय 100 पी आर टी अपॉन 100. दिस इज द सिंपल फॉर्मूला फॉर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ पर आपको क्वेश्चन में जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है वो डायरेक्टली तो गिवन नहीं है, लेकिन उसके लिए हिंट दिया हुआ है. तो कोई बात नहीं, हम प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट को एज्यूम करते हैं, लेट इट बी एक्स रुपीज. ओके. नाउ इट इज सेइंग दैट 16 ईयर्स के बाद, आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स दिस एक्स, द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट एक्स जो है वो बन जाता है 2x. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि एक्स अमाउंट ने हाउ मच इंटरेस्ट गेन, कितना इंटरेस्ट गेन किया, दैट इज एक्स. सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज एक्स. नाउ वी हैव principal amount, we have simple interest, we have to calculate rate in this formula, and time is given. All the values if you put here, then you will get the answer in the form of 6.25% rate. Okay, so this is the rate of this question. So answer is 6.25 or 6 1 by 4. That is also correct because that also similar. Question number 52. If two perpendicular sides of a right angled triangle are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter, its perimeter is. In this question, the question is asking about the perimeter. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of all the sides of a closed shape. कोई भी क्लोज शेप जो होता है उसके सभी साइड्स का जो सम होता है उसी को हम बोलते हैं perimeter. So for question number 52, you can see here one picture. Here one right triangle is given whose sides are given 5 and 12 centimeter, and we know the Pythagoras theorem, according to which the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the square of a, is equal to the sum of a square of a perpendicular and square of base. Okay, in this way you can get the value of x, that is 13 centimeter. Now what did I say? Just a perimeter is equal to the sum of all the sides of a closed shape. Here three sides are there. So one is 12. Here we have put 12. Second is 5, and then third one is x, and that from calculation we have got x is 13. So answer is 13 centimeter. You can see in the options D. Option D is correct option. In the same way, question number 53, given that 154 into 18 is equal to 2772, then what is the value of this equation? Okay, in this one the examiner wants to know about your knowledge of decimals. Okay, so you can easily get it. You can get it answer 53 option B. Now 54, question number 54, very easy question. A cricketer has an average of 28 runs in 24 innings. How many runs must he score in the 25th match टू मेक हिज एवरेज 29? देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है कि कोई एक क्रिकेटर है जिसने सपोज कीजिए 24 यानी कि 24 इनिंग्स खेला और 24 इनिंग्स का उसका एवरेज है 28 रन्स। फिर बोलता है कि अगर उसे अपना एवरेज 29 करना है तो उसके लिए उसे कितना मैच कितना स्कोर करना होगा। सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट हियर. Question number 54. Yes, here you can see the 54 solution. Total runs of 24 innings. उसने total कितना रन स्कोर किया 24 innings में? That is we can get by multiplying 28 to 24. So that is 672. Next, total runs of 25 innings by the average 29 into 25, we get 725. If we get the difference of these two values, that is, so the difference is the match, the runs scored in the 25th match. Okay, so answer is 53. You can see here option number D, that is 53. In a school, 3/5 of the children are boys and the number of girls is 800. Here, the examiner wants to check your knowledge about decimal fractions and fractions. So the number of boys is, okay, answer is 1200. Let me show you the solution of this question. Question number 54. Let us suppose total number of students. Let us suppose total number of students x. Okay, in the question it is given that total number of student boys are 3/5 of total students and remaining students are girls, of course. So that is 2 by 5 girls, 2 by 5 x girls. Now 2 by 5 x is equal to 800. In this way, this is given in the question. Now simple equation, you can solve it. The value of x is the total number of boys, total number of students, and that is 2000. Okay, so answer is here, दैट इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा है कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कितना है. आपको यहाँ पे वैल्यू गिवन है 800, गर्ल्स का यू कैन सी 2000 minus 800, that answer is 1200. So that is the answer for this question. Question number 56. 2,02,000 in digits is written as. Very easy question. I don't think then any student will make it wrong. Okay, answer is C option. Very easy. The difference between the smallest 6 digit number and the greatest 4 digit number is, मीन्स आपको सिंपल सा एक सब्ट्रैक्शन का क्वेश्चन दिया है, ये है आपका 4 डिजिट का सबसे बड़ा नंबर, ओके। और 6 डिजिट का सबसे बड़ा जो नंबर होगा, 6 डिजिट का सबसे छोटा नंबर जो होगा, उसमें आपको 1 और 1 के बाद में 5 zeros पुट करना है, ओके। सो दैट इज द operation you have to do, okay. So you can see here answer is option C. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन बॉड मास, दैट इज द सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ। यहाँ पर आपको कुछ सिंप्लीफिकेशन दिया हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले आपको ये जो बॉक्स स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है, सॉरी नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो 6 इंटू 7 है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है सबसे पहले, फिर उसके बाद में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उसके बाद में इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द वे यू कैन गेट द आंसर। Then you have to divide, then finally you have to subtract. Answer is B option, that is 58, answer B. Next question is what is the sum of the first four प्राइम नंबर्स। प्राइम नंबर्स में आपको पता होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर है इज 2, देन सेकंड प्राइम नंबर इज 3, देन थर्ड प्राइम नंबर इज 5 and then the next prime number is 7. if you add them all, सभी को अगर आप ऐड कर देते हैं, then you will get the answer 17. Question number 60. Here also the knowledge of decimals is checked, okay. So the answer is here, simply you can do it by dividing 1 by 16, and that 1 by 16 will be equal to decimals, okay. So this was related to mathematics. Now the next part is for language test, and of course that language is English knowledge. In this there are four passages given. There are four passages given. In the first passage, related four questions are there, okay. So first of all you have to read this paragraph, this passage you have to read it, and related questions are given. So in this question I have just given you the answers directly. In the 61 question, answer is A. In the 62 question, answer is C. In the 63 question, answer is C. In the 64 question, answer is B. And in the 65 question, answer is A. In the same way, another paragraph or another passage, that is passage number 2. First, you carefully read this paragraph or passage, and then you answer the coming questions. So there are 5 questions, sorry, for 4 questions. So in the 66 question, answer is C. In the 67 question, answer is B. 67, 68 is C. 69, answer is A. And then 40, 70, answer is B, okay. In the next way, in the next page, the passage 3 or paragraph 3, again I am saying that all the paragraphs you have to read carefully, thoroughly, and then related questions. So question number 71, option C, 72, option A, 73, option B, and 74, option A, and finally 75, option C, okay. In the next paragraph or next passage, that is passage number 4, again one paragraph and related questions. 76, option B. 77, option B. 78, option B. 79, option C. And finally 80, question number 80, option is D. So this was the solution of your question paper for 2021. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and best wishes for JNVST exam 2022. 2022. Okay, all of you subscribe, like, and share this video to your all friends who are appearing in this exam. Okay, all the best.